Hi to all. Welcome to my 7th class on chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. In today's class I am going to discuss word problems and mainly a digit problem and exercise 3.4 questions. Now let us look at a digit problem. Here is a question. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Before discussing this question, let me take a two-digit number. Let the number be 72. You know, here unit place digit is 2 and tens place digit is 7. Then how do you write this number in expanded form? That is, since 7 is the tens place digit, you can write 7 into 10 plus 2. That is 7 into 10, 70 plus 2, that is 72. Now, if a number is 85, how will you write? Yes, of course, you can write it as 8 into 10 plus 5. If it is so, the digit in the unit place be y and digit in the tens place be x. How will you represent this number? That you can write it as 10x plus y. Then if I am writing x in the unit place and y in the tens place, that means I am reversing the digit. First x in tens place, y in unit place, that you can write it as 10x plus y. Now y in tens place, x in unit place. Can you say how can you represent this number? Yes, it is 10y plus x. Now look at the question. The sum of two-digit number, digits are not given, so we can take it as x and y. So we can write, let x and y be the digits in tens and unit place respectively. That means unit place you can write it as y and tens place you can write it as x. Then what will be the number? The number you can write as, therefore the number is equal to, yes, tens places means it is 10x plus unit place y means 1. Now, if the numbers are reversed, that means unit place you will get x and tens place you will get y. What will be the number? Yes, it is 10y plus x. So we can write, when the digits are reversed, the new number is equal to it is 10y plus x. Now, what is the first condition given? The condition is the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. That is, the number 10x plus y and reversing the digit, the number is 10y plus x. If you add these two numbers, you will get 66. So we can write, according to the first condition, 10x plus y plus 10y plus x gives 66. Adding like terms, 10x plus x, it is 11x, y plus 10y, it is 11y is equal to 66. Now you can divide throughout the equation by 11. That means 11x by 11 is x, 11y by 11 is y, 66 by 11 is 6. So x plus y is equal to 6 will be the first equation. Look at the second condition. Second condition is the digits of the number is differ by 2. We took the digit as x and y. the difference of these two digits is 2. That means either x minus y can be 2 or y minus s can be 2, because we don't know which digit is greater. So here 2 equation you will get. So we can write according to the second condition, x minus y is equal to 2 or y minus x is equal to 2. This one you can take it as equation number 2. The other you can take it as equation number 3. Now consider equation first and second. That is x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. That is equation 1 and equation 2. Now let me solve these two. To remove y, you add these equations. That also you can do. So that step you can write it as equation 1 plus equation 2 implies x plus x is 2x, y plus 90y is equal to 0, 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. You got the value of x. Now substitute x is equal to 4 in 1, you will get the value of y. Do it. Substitute x is equal to 4 in 1, that is 4 plus y is equal to 6, that is y is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. That means the number is 10x plus y, that is 10 into 4 plus 2, that is 40 plus 2, which is equal to 42. So x minus y is equal to 2. Second condition, you will get the number as 42. Now consider the equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. That is equation 1. Now equation 3 you see y minus x is equal to 2. Y minus x you can write it as minus x plus y is equal to 2. The equation 3 you can rewrite as minus x. Y minus x means minus x plus y also you can write. Now here also you add these two. What will you get? Equation 1 plus equation 2 implies x plus minus x will be 0. That is 2y is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. Y you will get 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Substitute y is equal to 4 in equation 1. What will you get? Substitute y is equal to 4 in equation 1. We get x plus y is equal to 4 is equal to 6. That means x is equal to 6 minus 4. You will get 2. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y, which is equal to 10x means 10 into 2, that is 20, plus y means 4, that is 24. Therefore, here in this question you will get two numbers, that is 42 or 20. So you can write the conclusion as there are two such numbers, 42 and 24. So the question is over. Now look at the textbook questions. Here is the first question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, it is a question of fraction. The fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? For such questions, you can take numerator be x and let numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore, the fraction is equal to x by y. Now, according to the first condition, If we add, what is the first condition? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means according to the first condition, you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that is y minus 1. The fraction reduces to 1. The fraction is equal to 1. Cross multiply, you will get x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. That is x and y you take one side, that means x, y transpose to this side, x minus y minus 1, then 1 transpose to this side, that also minus 1. That means x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now what is the second condition? It becomes 1 by 2 if only add 1 to the denominator. So numerator will remain same and denominator will be y plus 1. Then it will be 1 by 2. Do cross multiply. 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1. That is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now solve it by elimination method. You will get the value of x and y. Then you write the fraction as conclusion. This is the second question, age problem. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So in this case, present age of two persons are there, that is Nuri and another is Sonu. Present age of Nuri you can take it as x, Sonu you can take it as y. The two conditions given. One is 5 years ago, second is 10 years later. What is the age of Nuri 5 years ago? Present age is x. So 5 years ago, x minus 5. Then what is that age of Sonu? It will be y minus 5. Similarly here it will be 10 years later. That means after 10 years it will be x plus 10. Here it will be y plus 10. Now according to the first condition, what is the first condition? Nuri was 5 years ago. Nuri was 5 years ago. Nuri was means x minus 5. Thrice as old as Sonu. That means 5 years ago Sonu's age y minus 5. Thrice of y minus 5 is 3 into y minus 5. Now do solve it. X minus 5 you will get 3y minus 15. 3 into 5 also don't forget to multiply. Now x and y take one side. X minus 3y here minus 15 plus 5. That is x minus 3y is equal to negative 1 and will be the first equation. Similarly, do find out the second equation. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later means x plus 10. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice as y plus 10. Do simplify and find out the second equation, then solve it. Here again is a digit problem that we already discussed. Do yourself. This is the next question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees note only. Meena got 25 notes in note. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 received. Here rupees 50 note. Rupees 50 notes you can take it as x, and rupees 100 notes you can take it as y. Let x and y be the number of 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. You can write it as a first step. The first condition is very simple. Meena got 25 notes in note. That means x plus y is equal to 25. Now, if you have 4 50 rupees notes and 200 rupees note. How much money in total you have? That means 4 50 rupees note means 4 into 50, that is 200. 200 rupees note means 2 into 100, that is again 200. So total you will have rupees 400. Similarly, here x 50 rupees notes, that means x into 50. The amount will be 50x. Similarly, y 100 rupees notes. Y 100 rupees note means y into 100, that is 100y. So amount from rupees 50 note is 50x. Amount from rupees 100 note is 100y. But it is given that total is 2000 rupees. That means if you add 50x plus 100y, which is equal to 2000. This will be the second equation. You can divide throughout the equation by 50. So it will be x plus 100 by 50 is equal to 2y. 2000 by 50. That means 200 by 5. That is 40. This will be the equation number 2. So x plus 5 will be the equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 40 will be the equation number 2. Do yourself. Here is the last question. A London library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. For 3 days it is fixed and additional charge thereafter. Here fixed charge you can take it as fixed charge. Let fixed charge be x and additional charge per day. Additional charge for each day you can take it as y. Now Sarida took, according to the first condition, Sarida paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. You know for 3 days it is fixed, that means x. Then additional, how many days will be there? 4 days, that means 3 plus 4 7. So that equation you can write it as x plus per day it is y rupees, then for day that means for y. You have to give 27. This will be the first equation. Now what will be the second case? Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. That means here she paid 21 rupees for 5 days. That means for 3 days it is x. Remaining 2 days will be there, that is 2y, which is equal to 21. This is the equation number 2. Now solve these two equations. You will get the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Do all the questions. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.